many taxes. I want only talk about 7 out of many because I only have 7 minutes. And you know, I came from China 25 years ago. Back then, there was no tax, 0, nothing. So I know this sounds like a heaven, right? But it was. Except that China was very poor 25 years ago. Then I came and learned there are many taxes here. I can only talk about 7 of them. Number 1, we know we have this federal income tax, right? That's number 1. How much do we pay? We pay, there are 5 brackets, right? If your income is low, you do not have to pay anything, 0. So that is actually bracket number 0. I mean number 0, yes. Rich people pays all 5 brackets, from 10% to 40%. Right? This is income tax, which means as long as you have income, you can pay, right? Your interest on your bank account, right? Your salary, you win a lottery, those are income. Those are federal income tax. Our second tax is Illinois income tax. Also income tax. But this one is different in that everybody pays 3.5%. After $3,000 personal exemption, you always pay. There's no exception. 3.75%. It used to be 3%. And a few years ago, we ran out of money. They asked us to pay 5%. Now the law expired. It came back to 3.7%. Right? So that's our income tax for Illinois. My third tax is property. Property tax. This one has nothing to do with income or salary. You have a chair here. You have to pay no matter what. The average house in Illinois is $170,000. And the average rate for property tax, 2.3%. So if you do the math, it's about $4,000 per house. You have the income or not, you have to pay it. You pay rent, that tax is included in your rent. So everybody pays that tax. The average is $4,000 per house. My tax number 4 is sales tax. Right? This one is also paid by everybody, even babies. They need diaper. You buy diaper, you pay 7%, 8%. In place like Chicago, 10 or 11%. So this is a huge tax for everybody. You have income or you have no income. Who cares? You pay sales tax. Tax number 5, gasoline tax. Right? Not many people know how much you pay when you buy gas. In Illinois, the gasoline tax is 54 cents per gallon. And the average price now is about $2.50. So 20% of your purchase goes to government as tax. And that can be sizable for lower income people, $100, $200, $300 per year. Now I have covered 5 taxes. I'm not done yet. Number 6 is also something everybody has to pay. That is our Medicare tax. is not income-based. This is salary-based. If you work, you pay 1.45% of your salary. You make $1 million, you pay 1.45%. You make $100, you pay 1.45%. No exception. Right? But for this one, it's different. You see the benefit. When you retire, when you are at age 65, you actually see the personal impact because you do get the basic Medicare for free. Not totally for free. If you have some other income, then you pay additional premium. But for most people, it's free. About 80% of your basic Medicare is covered. This is Medicare tax, 1.45%. Now, the last one is Social Security tax. 6.2% is also salary-based. If you work, you pay 6.2%. Your employer pays another 6.2%. And this one also you feel the personal impact. When you retire, you get a check for life. Right? And this one is also different from all other tax. The more you pay, the more you get. But it's not totally proportional. If it was proportional, then it would be called a savings account. This is not proportional. But you do get a little bit more if you contribute more. Those are the 7 taxes. Only the first one, federal income tax, that some people don't pay. We heard this very often, that in America, 45% people don't pay taxes, and that's only for federal income tax. All other taxes, other 6 taxes, everybody